Yes, it feels kind of delayed, but due to circumstances beyond our control, 90% of the Reggae Girls squad do not live in Jamaica and had to return to their overseas clubs and schools immediately after the qualification. But the official welcome home and celebrations roll out this weekend with some tours and some motorcades, etc. So don't watch the little delay. The girls deserve some love from Jamaica. Remember, they qualified for the World Cup, and that is not a normal thing. And if the actual qualification don't move you, like how it moved me, the girls singing the Jamaican national anthem immediately after qualifying must move you to tears like how it moved the Maverick. Watch this. Guide us with thy